Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to Scholars Hive. Friends, today we are going to learn about 7 deadly sins. Dr. Faustus, complete text. Now Faustus examined them of their several names and dispositions. Faustus, what are thou? The first. Now Faustus note them and mark their different names as well as features. Faustus, who are you? The very first of the sins. Pride. I am pride. I disdain to have any parents. I can creep into every corner of a bench, sometimes like a periwig. Pride. I am known as pride. I hate to admit to that I have any parents. I am just like the flea or a pest in Ovid's verse, and I can go to any place I like. Dr. Faustus, now who may be you, the number 2 of the sins after pride? Gluttony. I am greed. I am born of an old ruler and mean fellow. If I could have whatever I desired, I would very much love to have this house and all its contents to be turned into gold, so that I might lock and protect them up in my strong iron safe. Oh, how much I love gold. Dr. Faustus, and who are you the third? I am wrath, anger, rage, and fury. I am born of no parents. I just jumped out of the month of Lion when I was hardly half an hour old, and since my birth I have been traveling all over the world with this pair of daggers in the case, but hurting only myself. In the situation when there was nobody to fight with except my own self, I was born in hell, and remember that one of these devils must be my father. Dr. Faustus, who are you, the fourth of the sins after wrath? Envy. I am envy, jealousy. I had a chimney sweeper and a fisherwoman as my father and mother, respectively. I cannot read, and therefore I desire that all the books in the world should be thrown in fire. I have become weak as I feel jealous when I see other people eating and gaining health. I always have strong demand to witness a food shortage spreading all over the world and starving all to death, but not myself. How is it that you keep on sitting and I keep standing? Curses upon you. Dr. Faustus, get out, you jealous rascal. Now, who are you? The fifth of the 7 sins. Gluttony, sir. I am gluttony. My parents are not in this world, they are dead, and they have left me with nothing except for a small inheritance, which is just enough only for 30 meals a day and 10 drinks. Dr. Faustus, never ever. I would rather like to see you hanged. You will eat all my provisions of food within no time. Gluttony. Then let the devil strangulate and choke you. Dr. Faustus, you gluttony, you better choke your very own breath. What are your traits? The 6th sin. Sloth. I am sloth, laziness, inactivity. I was born on a sunny bank and I have been laying there ever since I was born. But you have done me the maximum possible harm to bring me here from that lovely place. Now gluttony and lechery should transport me back to that same place. I am not going to pronounce even a single word, even if it means releasing a king from his oppression. Dr. Faustus, and what may be your name, you trivial and little naughty girl? The 7th and the last of the sins, lechery. Well, sir, do you want to know my name? The first letter of my name is L. Let's now go back to hell, all of you. Lucifer. Well, Faustus, how did you enjoy this show? Dr. Faustus. Oh, this splendid show pleases me greatly.